We are looking into the feature 5, workplace conversation simulation. So once we click here, we go to our window for that. The page, it has 6 different areas where we can practice. Team status meeting, client project presentation, performance review, conflict resolution, and professional networking, salary negotiation. And we can try one of them and all of them work. And say example, salary negotiation. Let's do that. That's people are always trying to improve their salary. How do we improve? So first we need to select a level, intermediate or advanced, what level we are. So every one of these has beginner, intermediate, and advanced. In this case, I select advanced negotiation, start simulation. Let's see what it does. Now we are chatting with AI. I'm glad you scheduled this meeting. I understand you want to discuss your compensation. I have reviewed your performance and you're certainly been valued team member. What specific did you want to discuss? Okay, and I am typing, we agreed to finish our project in the beginning of the year, and we agreed, and you agreed, say, you agreed. I'm talking to the manager, right? I'm negotiating. You agreed that once the project is success done, was delivered successfully, I will get a 5 to 10% increase in my salary. So enter that. Now AI is thinking. Okay. Oh, I made a mistake here. 5 to 10%, I should have said. Okay, I appreciate you bringing up that. However, I want to clarify that while we did discuss the possible increase contingent of the project success, the company is currently facing budget constraint that may impact our ability to fulfill the agreement as anticipated. Can you elaborate on the specific contribution you made to the project that we believe warrant the increase? I am interested in understanding the perspective fully. So this is the AI response that sounds credible, like a manager talking to me, and my sentence is scored. Consider rephrasing the emphasis on what brought the project, how it aligned with the salary increase. Okay, so I'm going to respond to this, and I say I did the design and design for new features and eliminated technical debts that will save the company a lots of money going forward. So I'm submitting that. Let's see what it does. So AI is thinking. AI is thinking. Okay. Um, okay. You are indeed a significant contributor and appreciate your initiative in both design and addressing technical debts. Can you provide more detail on how these changes will translate into cost saving for the company? I'm particularly interested in understanding the project impact, any metrics you might want support your claims. You might have to support your claim. This will help advocate for your value more effectively within our budget constraint. So here is my sentence score. Consider providing a specific metrics example of blah 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 saving the impact. Okay, so I gave a generic statement. I should be more specific what was done. So this is how if we practice, I should be able to get ready for my salary negotiation. So I can keep going, or I can also end the conversation. So this is how we will improve our communication skill. AI will help us. And let's say we this is demo, so we don't want to go further. End conversation. Okay, do you want to end the conversation? Yes. And this is done. AI is thinking. Okay. Conversation ended. And I got some conversation complete. I got 7 out of 10. Strength, strengths, areas of improvement, and key takeaways. And I can start new conversation or just exit. And that's all about the conversation. Okay, so I can go to now, okay, here, select one of them. Another one I can, suppose team meeting or client conversation. I can practice these with these AI tools. So that's about the workplace conversation simulator. So next we will see how we track the improvement weekly basis and avoid common mistakes.